Did I type in multiplicative rule? I think I did, Monty. Let me just look. See what it said. I can see it a whole lot faster than I'm reading. There we go. Alright, just ignore all that stuff, okay? Hold on. Dang on, I'll fix it. Copy this table down. Oh God, I covered up the one. You're going to hear the end of that. And if I could find this question, I will put it on the test, because this question, you have about 5 or 6 different questions in this one problem. And don't even read the questions, because I'm going to ask the questions. Let me blow it up. Blow it up a little bit, Anna, please. I want to move it over to the right. There you go. Is that all it'll go? Hold on. Yeah. Okay, she's got it. That's a 1 right there. I kind of covered it up. I'm sorry. I suck. I don't look like a 1, but that's a 1. And y'all going to see a good movie this weekend or last weekend?
I saw Kingsman.
You saw what?
Kingsman.
Kingsman.
We don't know that.
It's a new movie came out.
The British Secret Service.
I haven't seen that one. What'd you see?
I'm saying it's on this Saturday.
What you see?
SpongeBob.
Huh?
SpongeBob.
Oh yeah, I went to see SpongeBob with my 8-year-old. We go see every SpongeBob movie. There's like 2 or 3.
Was it good? I heard it was bad.
It was good. It was about like the first one, SpongeBob Saves the World, but actually Plankton saved the world this time. Plankton's my favorite. Plankton and Squidward. Those are my favorite. I love it when Squidward goes, I guess I'll go on and throw up. He's so beautiful.
You should go see American Sniper while it's still in the theater.
No, I don't do hype. I'll see it whenever all the hype goes away.
It really is good though. It's worth
Well, I've heard it's good, but I'm not a hype person. Whenever I'm the opposite. If everybody's doing it, I go the other way. I don't.
Should have won more
I'll
Oscars
wait
than
until
it.
it ain't gonna win no awards.
No,
It's
it shouldn't.
racist. It's racist and terrorist.
It got the award for like best sound editing or something.
That's because they were fussing at the Oscars for snubbing it. They gave it. They threw a bone to it. In other words, they just gave it some kind of little award.
That's the
So it would be-
that's the category of we had to give you something.
Kind of like when everybody gets a trophy. These kids, oh gosh, I get so mad. That's why your kid can suck at a sport and they still get a trophy, and I'm like, that's lying to the kid. That's lying to him. So that kid thinks all he's got to do, or she, is just do whatever he wants to, not practice, not do anything,
Just show
and
up.
they will excel in anything they do. And that's wrong. You should not do that to a child. I tell my children they suck. If they suck, they suck. I say, you suck. You need to practice.
My parents were the same thing.
I told my daughter. She said, I don't understand why I can't play the piano. I said, you don't practice. That's why you suck at it. I said I would suck at math if I didn't practice it. If I sat out for a year or two and did something else, if I don't know, surveying or farm or whatever, and came back into the classroom, I would be rusty. I wouldn't be rusty on the trig because of the surveying, but I'd be rusty. You have to keep it honed. You have to keep it sharp. And that's just awful, giving a kid a trophy when they suck. All right. Give me the probability of O and B blood type. Go ahead. O and B blood type. Break it down a little bit, Dan. I'm going to draw on it. O and B blood type.
Separately or together?
No, bring it down. And minus some magnification. I got to draw. I can't draw while it's blown up. Told you Dana was hungover. She can't even work the remote. All right. O and B. Probability of O and B. Somebody add them up for me. What do we got?
100.
100. So that's our denominator. And let's do our adding. 39 and 6. And 8 and 2. Now, what about an overlap?
There's not one.
There's not one. And if there ain't one, you don't need to what? Worry about it. Simple as that. So the probability of O and B is 39 plus 6 is 45. 45 plus 10 is 55. Oh, we need a calculator again. 0.55. So you got a 55% chance of picking two people out of a hat that has O and B or whatever. Is there such a blood type as B? I don't know. I don't keep up with it. I suck at it because I don't practice it. All right. I'm O. I think. Most people are O positive. I think. Right? Ain't that the biggest population? Any nursing people in here? Y'all suck. All right. So let's do the probability of O and Rh negative. So let's do the probability of O and Rh negative, which I have no idea what that is. Let y'all do that one. I'm going to pull out the highlighters. And green, I'm going to color the O. And the Rh negative, I'm going to color yellow. So it's over 100. And what's 39 plus 6?
45.
45. And that's our green. And our yellow is right here. And what is, well, 6 and 5 is 10. That'd be 11. 11 and 13 is 14. Y'all check me.
Yeah, that's right.
And we need to minus the overlap, but I'm going to put that in red. Minus, parentheses. And what's the overlap? 6. Now, 45 plus 14 is dang old 59. 59 minus 6 is 53. 53 over 100, you need to use your calculator.
0.53.
0.53. When I say you need to use your calculator, I'm being facetious. You do not need to use your calculator. Please do not let me see you putting 53 over 100 in your calculator.
Just move the decimal with it, please.
That's grounds for calling you a loser and being serious. Okay?
I really wish.
Because you're that person that cannot make change at the cash register.
I really wish when we got a homework question wrong, it would be like, you suck, or you're a loser.
Well, that's what I would do if I was a programmer for Course Compass. Wouldn't you love to do that?
They would call you harsh.
Just
and
never
then-
had to get fired, of course. You suck and should live in the ditch.
But instead
Every
of
time you got something wrong,
because yeah, when you get something right, it's like, fantastic, great job.
your mama is fat.
That's a-
All right, the probability of A and RH positive. And that'll be enough for y'all to have in your notes. That'll be 3 or 4 problems for you to have for the additive law. Gotta lay off the Marlboro Reds. I know. I'm just kidding. Smoking Marlboro Reds all your life. That's hardcore. That's not right near smoking them Pall Malls and Camels without no filters on them. Ooh.
We sell Marlboro Reds like crazy at work.
There's 2 or 3 things I've never been able to do. Never been able to develop a taste for. That's one of them. Second one is coffee. Third one is beef liver. I have drank every combination of coffee that there could be made. Irish cream, butternut, beech nut, hazelnut, mint. Sugar, cream, black. I just can't. When I taste it, when I put coffee in my mouth, it tastes like hot water. I don't taste anything. Oh well. I got to take the roll because one day I missed y'all. I don't know when that was. It might have been the day that, I don't know. Y'all going to have to help me out because we got to find it. They say bureaucrats are going crazy because I hadn't turned in attendance. $120. Let me just view attendance. There it is. The 18th. Anybody recognize the 18th? That was the day after the snow day.
When you have class in it.
That was a 2-hour delay.
Yeah.
Was that the 2-hour delay?
Yes. it
Okay.
was.
Well, then I need to put no class. So I need to do the 18th. So that's why they don't have it. So they call off class, and then you have to go in and put no class.
So they have to give you some work to do.
I just think that's ridiculous. Sorry. I just think it's ridiculous. What day was that? The 18th?
Mhm.
Y'all have no class. And today. Bailey. Bolt. I believe I saw Miss Clayton come in. Did I not? Yeah. Coward. Don't see her either. No Coward. Okay, today is National Cut Day or something. Dutchke's here. Escobar.
Here.
Where are you? Far? Where are you? Just looking to see. maybe. Freeman? Where are you? Okay. Hammond? Harris? Harvey? Hayes?
Here.
Johnson?
Here.
Mullins?
Here.
Murray is not here. Darn, he never misses class. Must be drunk in the ditch somewhere. Newton?
Here.
Four. Okay, it's time to show pictures. I don't like to do that. Did I say Perdisi? Did I say Perdisi?
No.
Okay. Oh, you're here. Sorry. I saw two Robinsons. There's the third one. Scarborough's here. Schuler?
Here.
Where are you? Okay. Simpkins?
Here.
You have a sister. Going here. I got another Simpkins. I just wondered. Dennis is here. Smallwood? Where are you? Okay. And my bones are here. Williams? And Wood. Okay, we got the bureaucrats happy with that class, so that's good. Now let's go back. Probability of A and RH positive. What is A? Well, let's just add them up in our head. A is 35 and 5, which is what? 40. And RH positive is 39 and 35, dang old 74, dang old 82, dang old 86. What's my overlap? It should be 35, right?
Yes.
A and RH positive is dang old 35. Well, 40 plus 86 is 126. 126 minus 35 is 111. Is that right? I don't know what it is. What is it?
91.
91, I'm sorry. 91 over 100. Oh my gosh, tough math. 91%. So you got a 91% chance of all them people, their blood types were put into a hat. You got a 97% chance of finding somebody with RH positive and, what did I say, A? And what's the second most popular blood type? O positive besides O positive. I guess it would be A positive. Heck, y'all need to go home and drink some juice or something. Or lay off the Marlboro Reds, one of the two. All right, y'all get out of here. That's half of 4.3.